So, good day, lovers of STEM. Today's advice is engineer your education. So, what does that mean? And a lot of times I'm giving you advice I didn't even take myself, but these are things I learned on the journey. Engineer your education means plan out not only your 4 years, I talked about this before, make an Excel spreadsheet of your major classes, your minor classes, your second major, second degree. So every quarter or semester, you know what you're taking. Engineer your education also means is every quarter plan out your week. That means what hours are you in class? What hours are you studying? What hours are you in the library? What hours are with your study group? What hours are you at band practice, fraternity meeting, sports practice? When do you eat? When do you sleep? When do you play? I talk a lot about things to be successful in engineering. Having extracurricular creative downtime is important. My downtime is obviously social media, and a little bit of cross-stitching and reading and writing my Black romance novels and doing Sudoku. Your downtime could be playing video games, going live action role play, which is something they do behind the school at my school, or going to gaming conventions, whatever that is. But engineer it all out, right? Remember, 2 hours of study for every hour in class. So your education should be like a 40-hour job, right? So if you're not doing work study or doing your job or studying, have some downtime, but make sure you're getting enough study hours in. What do you do during those extra 2 hours? Review your course notes, review lectures, read your book, do your homework, study for exams, study for quizzes, go to study group. So once again, today's advice is engineer your education. Deuces.